All right, welcome to hopefully the last week of online, the 12th through the 14th. So you guys have, we've spent the past time designing your wax carvings, your wax rings. It's, you should have those drawings completed, the majority of them. Right now, this week, uh, if you have any questions, come on the Google Meet Monday and Wednesday during your class period. Times are found right here on the homepage. But today, what you'll need to do is complete all your missing work. If you don't have a grade for an assignment, make sure you turn that in. Um, I'm I've been caught up pretty. I've been consistently catching up on work, and so I everything should be current. If it's late, then yeah, you're going to be waiting, but not too long. So just get that turned in. You will have to meet with me before the end of the quarter with these with these papers, showing me your progress and showing me kind of what what our game plan is starting next week or starting the next quarter. So just be aware of that. Make sure to turn in your ring drawings today. And then Wednesday's work is the final design sheet. So on the final design sheet, if we go to that assignment, step one, you're going to download this design sheet. And if I go to the design sheet, um, here's the design sheet. Now you just finished your your three view drawings, so you know how to draw in multiple views. So I expect these drawings to be I expect at least two views, and it should convey your idea in such a way that anyone could take this paper and then recreate or create what you are doing or what you want done. Okay, you're going to be graded on unique design, shows an understanding of carving design above that of a Jewelry 1 student. The design should be shown in such a way that anyone could take them and create them. At least two different views and labeled with details. Okay, so drawing final design view 1 and view 2 or design 2, view 1 and view 2. Make sure that those are good drawings. I don't want crummy sketches. Okay, I want really nice drawings. You guys know how to do that. I've seen your work. Put some time into it. Put a little bit more time than you have been. Okay, so Lost Wax design sheet number 2, that is turned in Wednesday. There's the how to submit it, the guidelines, the grading, and you should be good. If you have any questions, please email me. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope to see you in a week.